So hello guys, welcome to Python lecture. In this video, we will learn about how to create your user defined function with arguments. In previous lecture, we have seen to create a user defined function without arguments. Let me recap once. Okay. So in previous lecture, we have defined a function addition which do summation of two numbers, and the number were taken by the user as a user input, and in output we get the sum of that two numbers, right? If you haven't watched the previous lecture, then I'll suggest to first go to that video, then continue with this one. Okay, let me now run this program and show the output. Let me call the function addition as I defined in my program, and just write two number. See, it gives me the sum of these two number. Let's suppose you don't want to enter the number one by one after calling the function to get the output. So for that, we will define our function with arguments. Let me give some examples like built-in functions like POW, in which we will enter the number and it just give me output. Same as like in max, we enter two number and it will give the maximum number in the output, right? So for that, we have to define the function with arguments. So for defining a function with arguments, we must have to define the total number of arguments that we will pass when we call the function. Let's suppose we want to add two numbers when we call the addition function. So here we take two arguments x and y and just remove the user input under the function and just print the output. Now let me run it. So here I am calling the function addition and gives the two arguments 10 and 20. See, it gives the output sum is 30. Let's suppose if we give the arguments more than as I defined. So let's take addition 10, 20 and 30. So see what we will get. So here you can see that it throws the error that addition takes two position arguments only, but we have given 3. So what if we want to add multiple numbers at a time? We have to define multiple arguments here? No. So for that we use pointer. So pointer is used for read multiple arguments at a time. Okay, so for that just write pointer and define a variable add is equal to 0. Under this we start for loop, and for I in range n just add the number of arguments with the add variable and just print the output. Okay, now let me show you by printing the function. Let's suppose I want to add 10, 20, it gives 30. Now we give multiple arguments like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 at a time, and see it gives me output 150. Okay, now it's working fine. Hope it's clear to all how to define a function with arguments and how to take multiple arguments at a time without defining each arguments in the function, right? If anyone have any doubt, then comment below. I will help you out. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.